Hello guys, welcome back to Nguru the Guru, and today we're going to be looking at an automation between Postman, Jenkins and Node.js. So what I have already done is have set up my own collection on my Postman. This is my local Postman. So this one, contact list. I've used the open source documentation for the contact list, the one that Postman uses for testing. So I have the basic endpoint testing and I also have the negative tests. So what I did with this, I exported my JSON file. So you just click on export and then just use the recommended one and export. It will go to a local file and you can use that. So after creating the endpoints on Postman and ensuring they are working, and before we go to our server, I'd like to show I have the collection and I also have the env, the environment, so the environment variable. So also make sure you download the environment. So you just export the same way as you exported the collections. So I'll head over and show you my server. So here we go, where you have, I already have Jenkins installed. So you check for the volume that has Jenkins. So I just go to lib and I find Jenkins, and then it stores all the project on workspace. So I just show you this workspace, and then you just check the files. So let's go to Jenkins for a moment. If you come to Jenkins, this is the project I'll be showing you how to set up. So if I come to configure, yeah, this is what no, not this one, sorry, this one, the contact list test configure. So as you can see, I have Node.js and I also have Newman. So ensure on your server or whatever you're using, you have Newman installed, and to install Newman you just need npm install, and then do it globally and then just put in Newman there, and that will be done. Because I already have Newman, I do not need to install it. So as you can see, our project on Jenkins is known as the contact list test. So this is where you go and upload. So let me just go to it, the contact list test. So this is where you need to upload the JSON you downloaded from your Postman and the environment variables from Postman as well. So ensure they are in this folder, the one that has Jenkins and the one that has your workspace. So first of all, you have to create your project on Jenkins. So all you need to do is just come to new item. You can use the freestyle project, just give it a name and follow the steps, and that should be done. So if you come to Jenkins, ensure what you need to ensure you have on Jenkins is you come to manage plugins, just check for Node.js here. So not available, unavailable, check for Node.js there, but because I've already installed it, it should be on installed. So let's just confirm that Node.js. So there you go, the Node.js plugin. So ensure you have this. So let's go back. So we have already installed Newman on our server, as I just showed you, this one. So Newman, we have downloaded the files from Postman and uploaded them on the workspace that contains contact list test, and then put the two JSON files in it. Because all you needed to do, if you are running it on the terminal, you just need Newman run. You just need Newman run and then just put the contact list JSON there and the environmental variable environment.json, and you're good to go. But I do not want to do it from the terminal, but this is something that you could do. I want to do it through Jenkins so that I can be able to schedule it. So I've showed you where to ensure that you have Node.js, and now I need to show you how to configure your project. So the first thing I did was set it up to be built every time 5 a.m. every day, 5 a.m. so that I can check my script. The essence of this, of having endpoint checking, is, for example, if you have your application and it's calling endpoints, you need to ensure that those endpoints are working every day, and you don't need to do it manually, go to the system and test. You just need to put the endpoints on your postman, ensure the endpoints are working, ensure your endpoints are working on collections, and just go to my workspace. Let me close that. Then ensure your endpoints are working. Like if it's a get request, you don't need to come to postman and do this manually every day. You just need to ensure it's working. So let's go back to Jenkins. So from Jenkins, ensure that you go to the build environment aspect, and then you need to provide a node or npm bin folder path. So just select node.js there, then use the default, and then the cache, just leave them as they are. And then now on the execute shell, just put, because we install Newman on our server, so Newman run where we put our file, and then the environmental variable. So because it's not 5 a.m, leave, because I did not make any changes. Let me just come, no, not that one, keep mistaking it, this one. Let me just build now, so that we can see what it generates and what will happen. I just hope it doesn't take long as it builds. Let me be showing you the expected outcome. Let me click on this, the one that we had already built. I need to go to the console output. Yeah, so this is what the output usually is. So you can see contact list test, the basic endpoint testing, that one returned 200, so it's okay. The post request 200, so you can see correct type, correct first name, return, because I have some assertion tests. And the 204 no content, delete. So you can see from this, it can tell you whether it was a success. Executed, test script 17, 0 have failed. So this is what is usually returned for you through Jenkins. So all you need to do every morning is come to this template and check whether your output is correct, and that is it. So if you'd like for me to show the entire process of how I set this thing up, you can just comment in the comment section, and I'll be able to just take you through the process. I just thought it would be a bit long, and decided to just show a glimpse of what I did and not really go into depth with it. I hope this helps you guys. See you next week.